Hello children. Today we are going to discuss about basic concept of internet and its introduction, uses of internet, what are the major features of internet and the basic terminologies related to internet and how the internet works. These are the things we are going to discuss about in this video. So don't waste time. Let's begin. So first, why was the internet invented? The experiment of internet started in the year 1960s by the US Department of Defense called DoD. The DoD wanted to create a computer network that would continue to function in the event of a disaster like the nuclear war. If part of the network was damaged or destroyed, the rest still had to work. That network was called ARPANET in starting 1960s. Okay? This ARPANET which linked US scientific and academic researchers. It was the forerunner of today's internet. Okay, history of internet is a very huge part. We are not going for so detail. So the only you just know the common part. It was started in 1960s in the US Department of Defense and the first internet was called ARPANET. Okay, these ARPANET after many type of researches, again 1985 it started NSF net. Then after that it comes to VSNL. Then this VSNL again converted to our modern internet. Okay, nowadays modern internet is working like using some protocols called TCP bar IP, internet protocols. So this one small introduction of history of internet. Internet is the invention of modern and high technology science. It is a network of networks. It provides an amazing facility of searching any information from any corner of the world by anyone. We can connect more than one computer to each other using internet in order to easily access or share information from any connected computers from one place. Using internet, we can send any big or small messages or information very quickly within seconds that help us in communication. It is a vast storage of information as it has more than billions of running websites related to domestic, business, academics, government, commercial, etc. So now we are going to discuss about uses of internet, major features of internet and basic terminologies related to internet. First, uses of internet. We all know email, information, business, social networking, shopping, education, job search, entertainment, etc. And major features of internet: World Wide Web, www, email, news, telnet, file transfer protocol or FTP. And basic terminologies related to internet: World Wide Web, www, and website, web pages, web page, web browsers, home page and search engine. So now we are going to learn some definitions. First, internet. A global computer network providing a variety of information and communication facilities consisting of interconnected networks using standardized communication protocols. Protocols means some rules and regulations. In internet all the activities are working based on some protocols. And one simple definition for internet, the internet is a global network of billions of computer and other electronic devices is connected with the internet. Next is World Wide Web. It is commonly referred to as WWW or W3 or simply the web. Is an interconnected system of public web pages accessible through the internet. World Wide Web. It's very important one. An information system on the internet which allows documents to be connected to other documents by hypertext links, enabling the user to search for information by moving from one document to another. In internet, always it's familiar for you this type of hand symbol. Wherever you are clicking any blue color underlined letters or words or sentences, the normal cursor will change to this type of hyperlinks. This type of hand symbol, this symbol is known as hyperlink. Hyperlink means there is a connection between one web page to the another web pages. Okay, that we will see in detail. Before that, what is website? A set of related web pages located under a single domain name. It's known as website. This is common word for you, website, web page, web browser, everything. But we need to learn some definitions for this. So if anybody is asking what is website, you should tell to them or you should know to inform them what is website. So for that you need to learn the definition of website. Website and all common internet terms. So website is a set of related web pages located under a single domain name. A website is a collection of web pages and related content that is identified by a common domain name and published on at least one web server. Like Wikipedia, Google.com, Amazon.com. This everything is commonly known as websites. A single domain name and you will get lot of, it's published in one web server, and inside the website you will get lot of information or different types of web pages are available inside one website. And what is web browser? A web browser is a software. Before that, if I tell the web browser name, it's common for you. Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer. These are the examples of web browsers. So what is the definition for web browser? It is a software. Web browser is a software. We need to install the web browser in your system for accessing information on the World Wide Web. Without web browser, we can't search anything. First we need to install the software web browser, any web browser, and this application will help you to get the information from the internet. When a user requests a web page from a particular website, the web browser retrieves the necessary content from the web server and then displays the page on the user's device. Hope you understood what function the web browser is doing in the internet. These are the different web browsers: Opera Mini, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Internet Explorer. These are very familiar for you. These all are known as web browsers. Next is home page. So we already saw what is web page. Then what is home page? The introductory page of a website, typically serving a table of content for the site. A web page is set as the default or startup page on a browser. That means if you want to search anything in Google, you are typing that particular content, and once you press the search button, you will get one page with a lot of different links related to that page. That first page is known as home page. In that home page, you will get different web pages. Web pages, any web page you can select regarding that information. So for the first page after your search, which page you are getting, that page is known as home page. So one more definition. A home page is the main web page of a website. It is usually a file named index.html. Index in your textbook you will get some index to it's very easy to identify in which page which content. Like that, the first page after searching what you are getting, that is known as your home page. It's a starting page. Then what is search engine? A web search engine or internet search engine is a software system that is designed to carry out web search, which means to search the World Wide Web in a systematic way for particular information specified in a textual web search query. So web search engine or internet search engine, that is also one software system. It is designed to carry out the web search, which means to search the World Wide Web in a systematic way for particular information. So these all definitions why I selected from Google, then only you will get the exact definition of all the internet terms. Next, we already discussed about the hyperlink. This is the common definition for what is hyperlink. In computing, a hyperlink or simply a link is a reference to data that the user can follow by clicking or tapping. A hyperlink points to the whole document or to a specific element within a document. Hyperlink is a text with hypertext is a text with hyperlinks. The text that is linked from is called anchor text. This anchor text, everything in the next year 8th standard you will learn HTML, how to create a website. There you will learn anchor, what is anchor tag, how to create a hyperlink, everything you will learn in 8th standard. So here you should know what is hyperlink. Then hyperlink we are creating, it's a link. The web developers, they are creating hyperlink. That hyperlink contains link connected with another web pages. This much you can understand from the word hyperlink. Okay, hope you understood the common basic terms or terminologies related to internet.